welcome back to my channel. For all those of you who are new, hi, my name is Tuhin and I'm back with another video. And this time, as you can read from the title, I am going to react to the rumors that people would like to spread about me. Plus the addition is that if they've heard any rumor about me or if they've already spread any rumor about me, so they'll have to tell that too. So for this video, basically I asked a couple of my friends to send in answers to 3 questions. That have they heard a rumor about me, have they spread a rumor about me, and if none of these are true, then if they were to spread a rumor about me, what would that be? And now my sister right here, Bhuvi.
Hi.
So basically what's going to happen is she hasn't read any of them. I have read a couple of them, not all of them, but she hasn't read any of them. So basically both of us are going to sit and react to each and every one that I'm going to read out, and after that, by just looking at my physical appearance and not knowing me personally, she has to judge that whether or not she would, trust that rumor. Like if that rumor was spread about me, would she trust that rumor about me being a stranger to me, like that ways. Okay. So that is how this video is going to go on. So basically a couple of my friends volunteered. I asked them that if they would like to do that, and a couple of them volunteered. So thank you guys so much. And through the course of this video, you know what all friends and family members helped me out into making this video. And with that being said, that's more or less it. So we should get started with this video. Okay, so the first one that I have here is, this one's from my friend Pragatika, and she said that she would spread a rumor about me. Now she hasn't heard one or she hasn't spread one, but the one that she would spread about me is that I have already spoken to Zuckerberg, and I will okay, sorry, and now I will earn $1 million through YouTube. First of all, I mean
$1 million through YouTube.
Earning $1 million through YouTube, that's like a big deal.
Definitely.
I don't think I can do that. And
no,
talking to
could,
Zuckerberg,
but that's
like big,
huge deal.
Yeah. Exactly. That's a really huge thing. And first of all, talking to Zuckerberg, like, bro, super creative. But talking to Zuckerberg, do you have his contact number? I would really like to talk to him, but I don't have his contact. But anyways, this was a fun one.
This was really creative too. I liked it.
So now tell me, would you trust this one?
I don't think I would, because
looking at me, come on.
If I didn't know you, no, you're very stylish, you're posh, but knowing, just looking at your physical appearance, I don't think I would completely 100% trust it.
You would be like, well, I don't think so, but maybe.
Yeah, right.
That would be
definitely
the kind of reaction. Like if I wouldn't know me, that would be my reaction. I don't know how did that sound, but I hope you guys get that. anyways. So next I would go to that. Okay, so this one is not from a friend, not from a family member. So this one's basically from one of my mom's friend, who is practically a couple of years older to me. So she's like my elder sister. You can think of her like that, and that's Ananya ma'am. So she hasn't heard a rumor about me, of course, and she doesn't she hasn't spread one, she hasn't heard one. But if she was to spread a rumor about me, she would do that. Oh, that Tuhin has won a lottery, like I have won a lottery, and I am going on a world tour with her boyfriends. Wait, what? I
You
don't.
mean your boyfriend?
First of all, it's not boyfriend, it's boyfriends.
Whoa.
So that's
multiple
boyfriends at once, and I'm going to take them on a world tour all together.
Okay, see, for me, I think I would believe the lottery part, but the boyfriends part, multiple, no.
I'm sorry.
Not just looking at you, I don't think you would have boyfriends. You could have a boyfriend, but That's weird.
Come on, Nav. I'm single. I've told it multiple times on the channel as well that I'm single. Why would you think that I
Ready
would
to
have
mingle,
boy?
by the way.
Excuse me. Ready to mingle. No, I don't. Okay, wait. No.
Yes. Come on.
Okay. Anyways, so first of all, I'm single. So this going. First of all, my luck isn't that good that I would win a lottery. Like I wouldn't trust my luck like that. But thank you so much for having faith in me. Okay. Oh.
So you're laughing way too much at this.
Oh my god. I mean, I don't trust my luck with winning a lottery in the first place. And winning such a big lottery that I would go on a world tour. First of all, alone, I don't trust even that. And then you're saying boyfriends? I don't have a boyfriend. Where am I supposed to find boyfriends?
Okay.
Okay.
Let's hear another one because these
Okay.
are really creative and fun.
These are creative. Okay. So this one's from my friend Nandita Roy. She says that she hasn't heard a rumor about me. She hasn't spread a rumor about me. But if she was to spread one, she would say that I am a vampire from Vampire Diaries. I mean, I do have sort of fangs, but that doesn't make me a vampire.
Okay, but knowing you, well, technically I wouldn't know you, right? But
Yeah.
if like from my perspective, I would kind of like believe that because you love Vampire Diaries and you love originals and you watch Legacies and you always talk to me about it. But I wouldn't believe that you're a vampire because that's supernatural and I don't really think that those things exist.
Yeah, for fiction that's fine,
Yeah.
but to know somebody like, do you know what, that girl's a vampire?
No.
I'd be like,
No.
that doesn't happen in real life. So anyways, so that was good job, creative again. Okay. Oh, so this one's from my friend Kushi. Okay, so basically what was happening is, so she sent me two. She sent me two answers. So the first one is, have you heard a rumor about me? So basically this rumor includes both her and me.
Okay.
And I did not know about this rumor. She knew about it, that this was being spread about me.
So
but
you just like recently found out when she
yeah,
told you.
when
Okay.
she told me in this message, that was the time I found it out.
Alright.
But otherwise, I didn't know about this. So this one's like fun. So back, there's a story to this. So back in the 5th grade, I was like this. It was sort of a medical condition that I was coughing too hard. That because of that, my veins underneath my eyes, they burst. So because of that, the blood started flowing into my eyes, and this white portion went completely red. Okay, so everybody at the school was like scared of me, like what has happened to her eye and everything. So they would treat me differently. So now this rumor started spreading the next day because when we were kids, she says, yes, when we were kids, you had this little accident where your whole eye turned red because of some vein pop, and next day you didn't come to school. And during the dance period, my mom was the dance teacher, so during the dance period, mom asked us, like my mom asked them, that if I got hurt in a fight. And both of us used to have a lot of like verbal fights back then. Like we were sort of stubborn kids, so we used to have that fight. And somebody went and told my mom that Kushi hit me
Oh god.
in the eye. And
And so
because
like was she like your really good friend?
she became a really good friend
Okay,
later.
yeah.
But we were friends back then, but we used to fight very often. Like we
Oh,
would have
okay.
verbal fights very often. So because of that, somebody went and told my mom that she hit me in the eye.
Oh,
And because
Lord.
of that happened.
I don't even want to imagine what Mossy would have said.
No, mom was like, twins, like double your size. That's not possible.
Oh.
Probably that should have been her reaction.
Okay.
Although I don't know what her reaction was, but probably that should have been her reaction because she was like this thin girl back then, and I was like this person. So yeah, I was like a healthy girl, and Kushi was like this thin girl. So I don't think that. I mean, guys, come on. this is not a rumor to be spread, but anyways. Okay, now, if she was supposed to spread a rumor about me, she would say that I was in love with her
Oh.
because I joined all of her tuition classes.
Hashtag we support LGBTQ.
Thank you.
But I don't think. Well, I might believe that.
No.
If I didn't know you, I would believe that.
No. Okay. So basically, me joining all her tuitions was because she lived in the nearest town to the school, and I had to get some sort of coaching for like my 11th and 12th. So
Okay.
she was the friend who lived nearest to me. So that is why I used to. Come on, Kushi. Come on, girl. You
I
know
love
it.
that one though. That was really nice. It was funny. It was cute.
It was cute.
Yeah.
But if you had a crush on me, you can still confess it, Kushi.
Oh.
I'm open to it. But honestly, I didn't have anything for you. You were a very good friend of mine, and we had a lot of fun during our school days. But if you had anything, you can still confess it. It's okay. Okay, moving on to the next. Okay, so this one's from one of my sister, and she says that she hasn't heard a rumor about me. She hasn't spread a rumor about me, obviously, because she's my sister. I trust her that much. But she says that I can talk to aliens and give them government information so that they can come and invade planet Earth because I'm a people hater. Guys, I don't even know how to react to this.
Okay, people hater.
I'm a people hater.
Like, get away from me.
Get away! Don't sit in my vicinity.
Okay, but if I didn't know you, then I don't know how I would react to that. I feel like I would have like a very weird reaction. Like I would be on the fence about it. Like if you're
People hater is
a
one thing,
human
but
hater, then like I should not come and talk to you, and then I would never get to know you. So that would be
Yeah.
like my thinking. And
Yeah.
the aliens part is funny.
it's weird imagination. I mean, hats off to your imagination, girl. But please, don't you think you being my sister, you would know about whether I can talk to aliens or not? I understand. I don't.
I mean, really?
Come on.
Okay, let's move on.
Okay, so next one is okay. So this one's from my friend Chirag. He says that he hasn't heard a rumor about me. He hasn't spread a rumor about me. But what he says is, okay, this one also has a backstory, but I'm going to read this first and then I'm going to explain the story. So
Okay.
the rumor that he would spread about me is that I and Somu start dating again, because I like his dandruff hair. What? Okay. First of all,
Please, I want to
Somu-
react so bad.
Somu and I never dated. Never.
Who is someone in the first place?
He's a college friend.
Obviously, okay, I get that.
No, seriously, we never dated. I mean, I never even saw it. I mean, I never looked at him that way. Like, never. It was more of a brother sort of a thing.
Right. That's so weird then.
It's
That's really weird.
I mean, there was a time-
No. You listen to this one person saying that he would want you to date this one other guy because you guys were dating before because you liked his dandruff hair. Dandruff hair just throws me off. And second of all, that's really weird because you think of him like a brother.
Yeah, I mean, back then we were like great friends, but again, we were friends and
Right.
more or less like a brother sort of thing. And I was like always like, yeah, I care for each of my friends like equally, and there was nothing special about him. So I don't know what made you think of this, but bro, please don't spread these rumors about me.
Yeah,
I
like,
have
please
never.
calm down.
Please calm down. Yes, I would never date so. Never, never, never in my life.
Hashtag brozone. Sorry if you're watching this video, by the way.
Yeah. Sorry. Okay. Okay. Fine. Well, I mean,
It was
hats off to your creativity, bro.
yeah. Hats off to your creativity.
Good job there. Yeah. So okay. So this one I'm not naming because this one's like really recent, and this one was just like starting to develop as a rumor about me, but it never got through because this one very amazing friend of mine just stood up to the guy who was doing that, and she just slammed him back, and that's when it all stopped. So
Great friend of yours then.
yeah.
Obviously.
So this was sent in by Aditi. I'm not gonna name the guy who was doing this. So basically, what was happening was that he was spreading rumors about me that I was the one behind him, calling him for dates or roaming to places and everything like that. Like I was the one behind him. I was like pursuing him
Right, okay.
in a creepy way, like
Oh, like stalker?
stalking, yeah, like stalker ways.
I don't know why people do that.
I
Hats
don't.
off to your friend for
Yeah. So basically, this guy was telling everybody that he was the one who was. I mean, like I was the one who was pursuing him in a creepy way, like stalker ways. Like I would, frequently call him like random time of the day, and I would just, expect a lot of things, and I would just make it a weird thing, and we were just friends according to him. Rather, it was, I would not say that it was the other way around totally, but like he was the one pursuing me, but not in a creepy way.
okay.
You get that?
So basically, he just tried to make you look like the bad guy, although he was doing it to you, but it wasn't creepy when he was doing
yeah,
it.
he was doing it like he was like, see, I like you, and something like that, and then that is why. So would you like to go out with me? Like in a good gentleman way,
Right.
but to just make it a hype in front of his friends. He was trying to do like, oh, that girl is pursuing me and stuff like that. So it was that sort of case. So she heard that rumor, and she was my roommate back then, so she knew what exactly was happening because she was friends with both of us first of all, and she was seeing everything that was happening in the room, like when I was talking to him over a call or when we were texting or something like that. So when she heard about it, she stood up to him,
Right.
and then that's when that guy stopped spreading the rumors about
Which
it.
is good, yeah.
So thanks, Aditi, again. Alright, but you know what? This thing and thanks really puts me off, so I'm not gonna dwell on it because I'm like over it. I don't blame the guy, I don't blame anybody else.
Right.
You wanna trust it, trust it. You don't wanna trust it, don't trust it. It's all up to you. But I'm telling you that that wasn't true. Okay? But anyways. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm just probably gonna scroll through all the people that have sent it. So let's just see that if I've missed any or not.
Alright. But if there aren't any, I think I just thought of one that is kind of funny.
You did?
And yeah, I think it's good. But if I were to ever start a rumor about you, I think that I would say that you murdered someone and then you blamed it on our irritating cousin brother. His name is Nissim, and he's very irritating. And I think you would definitely blame it on him because, first of all, he gets so annoying. And I feel like that would be such a good rumor. I would love to start that rumor.
Guys, come on. I'm an elder sister to both of you.
It doesn't really matter. You know?
First of all, she thinks that I have the capability of murdering someone.
I have that much faith. No, I'm kidding. Don't do that. I'm kidding. I'm kidding.
Oh god. Okay, it's gonna take me time to digest that. It's probably gonna take me a lot of time to digest that. The movie thinks about me that I have the capability of murdering someone. Seriously?
I'm just thinking about how the blame is gonna go on our irritating brother. Like, we both, like, love him, you know, but he's really irritating.
At times. At times. He just gets on our nerves.
Yes.
But if I was to...
He has
Probably-
good qualities. He has okay qualities.
I usually take the blame from him. So for me to put the blame on him is like a very...
You can do it once in a while.
I don't know, guys. You tell me. Do you trust this rumor that can I do something like that? Can I mean, I don't think I can, but
I
do
want to. Anyways.
I am. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Okay. Anyways, so you guys tell it to me in the comment section below that whether or not would you trust what Boovy's rumor said here. So, with that being said, we come to an end to this video. So, if you guys enjoyed this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also comment that which one was your favorite, which one you liked the most, which one was the most creative one, and if you would trust Boovy's rumor or not. And also share this video with your loved ones and everybody else that you want to share it with.
Please also turn on the bell notification so you can get notified every time my lovely sister uploads a new video.
Yeah, and like she said, subscribe and turn on the bell notifications. Also follow me on Instagram for a couple of crazy videos that are coming up. I have some really crazy ideas growing up in my mind, so I would like really look forward to seeing you guys on my Instagram. And also thanks to all the friends who have taken out time to send these hilarious rumors that they would like to spread about me or that they've heard about me. But thank you guys. You guys have been such a great help. This was such a random and such a sudden idea and you guys came through. So I'm like, thank you guys. Okay, and with that being said, we'll see you guys again next week. Until then, bye guys.
Bye.